Hi, I previously made a video on how to use a pair of tea light candles instead of the normal Wii sensor bar. Turns out though that if you got a Wii U, you can actually use the Wii U GamePad as a sensor bar as well, since it, up the top here, has got a couple of built-in IR lights for using it together with normal Wii remote, like this. So to make this work, you basically just need to place the Wii U gamepad where you normally would place the sensor bar. Then you'd think you would just select Wii mode and go play. However, since we do not have a sensor bar, there is no way to get past this stupid screen, since it requires a Wii remote to select the TV and gamepad option. We can here actually press the plus button on our Wii remote to start up the Wii mode, but only on the gamepad and not on the TV. Then we can do this, but not play any games on the actual TV, which is what we want to do here. Turns out though there's actually a way to skip the whole Wii U menu system and boot the console straight into Wii mode. To do this, we first power our Wii U off completely. Then we push and hold the B button at the same time as we press once on the start button. We then keep holding the B button while the console first boots up and says Wii U once, then restarts again for it to say Wii U a second time. After this, let go of the B button, whereupon the gamepad screen should then soon say Wii, and thereafter display the console's safety message on the TV. From there, we just put our gamepad underneath the TV like so, and there we go. So that's about that. Please share any thoughts or questions in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer them. Thank you for watching. Bye.